Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Finally, a build a boat update. Feels like centuries waiting for this. But here it is, yes. And the first thing that comes in my mind is this, an automatic door. It is because of this item, the sensor block. So this is my yacht and I created simple sliding door here. So when I step on this, see? Door opens. Awesome, right? I'm not pressing anything, guys. I'm just stepping on this sensor block. So yes, this block is not only gonna be useful for sliding doors, but also with other things. Imagine, guys. So this not only works when players step on it or pass on it, it also works with blocks. See? With a TNT on it, door opens. So yeah, you can bring your vehicle inside your garage or secret base without pressing any button. Just put your vehicle on the sensor block.
Nice.
Oh, and it works on flying machines too.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Cool, right? So yeah, maybe infinite possibilities with this block. And the sensor block will also work with other items like cannons and dynamite. And more, of course. So yes, this is gonna be my first super easy tutorial for this new update. Let's go! So there you go, very easy, right? And by the way, you can change the speed of the piston up to 600! And that is too fast for the sliding door! This is speed 1 and it is too slow! And there are other new items too, and they are very useful. And very soon, guys, we gonna use them. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!